Our top story tonight at 6, the ICU and advanced medical unit at St. Peter's Health are at capacity. All advanced medical unit patients are hospitalized with COVID-19 and 7 of the 8 ICU beds are filled with COVID-19 patients. And outside the hospital, dozens in the community are on home oxygen because of COVID-19. Tonight, hospital officials again ask people to take action to slow the spread of the virus. MTN's Jordan Johnson reports.
St. Peter's Health in Helena announced Tuesday that they have 31 patients hospitalized with COVID-19. And with full capacity intensive care and advanced medical care units, the hospital is highly overrun.
We've had a lot more patients on ventilation and mechanical ventilation with the Delta variant, and I think it's just more aggressive, and it's just a nastier variant of this COVID.
The hospital says all but one of the patients in ICU was there as a result of coronavirus. Ashley Coggins is a St. Peter's Health hospitalist and says that the hospital has begun to use a proning technique where a ventilated patient is flipped on their stomach to increase oxygen levels. And for this to happen, they need 4 to 6 people to do so.
This is where we're using our National Guard people this week. We're using EVS, we're using same-day services, people who aren't usually in the ICU. So really anybody that we can grab.
And Dr. Todd Wampler says that through the combined efforts of staff, the hospital is still providing care for those who need it.
Because of those heroic efforts that they're putting in and the effort and the hours they're putting in, it's still a safe place to get care. We are still giving excellent care at St. Peter's Health.
But Dr. Wampler says that there are 2 worlds in Helena, Montana, that in the hospital and how the community lives day to day.
It's hard to describe that there are 2 different worlds right now. There's the world that we're dealing with in St. Peter's Health with our patients in the hospital, and it is a crisis situation. But the world that I see outside the 4 walls of the hospital is very different, and it's clear that people don't appreciate that. When I go to the grocery store, I don't see people masking even when they can't distance, and it's so important to take those simple measures that it helped us earlier in the pandemic. We need them right now.
The hospital encouraged the community to get vaccinated, wear a mask, and do not delay treatment for serious medical conditions. In Helena, Jordan Johnson, MTN News.
Montana reported 26 more COVID-19 related deaths today, putting the statewide death toll from the virus at 2,048. Now, 16 of those deaths occurred recently, and the remaining 10 were added through a review of data. The state reported more than 1,200 new cases of COVID-19 today. There are now more than 12,000 active cases in the state. 414 people are hospitalized with the virus. 53% of eligible Montanans are considered fully vaccinated.